Hello children, let us start with exercise 23A of the topic trigonometrical ratios of standard angles, class 9 ICSE from the book Concise Selena. So subscribe. So we start with the first question, find the value of sine 30 cos 30. Now I have just explained in the previous video how to learn the values of the sine 0 to 90 degree for all the 6 trigonometrical ratios. So sine 30 is half. And sorry, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is half, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sin 30 cos 30 is root 3 by 4. So this is how we did with the first part. Now second it says tan 30 tan 60. So one tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 and tan 60 is root 3. So 1 upon root 3 into root 3, which we get it as 1. Third one, we have cos square 60. Now cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and then the square of that plus sine square 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and then the square of that. So which is 1 upon 4 plus 1 by 4. Half square is 1 by 4. So which is 2 upon 4, which is half. The third part is done. We start with the fourth one. It is cosec square 60. So cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3. So 2 upon root 3 and then the square of that plus so it is minus, so minus tan square 30. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 and it is square of that. So square of this 2 upon root 3. 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. So 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon root 3 square is 1 upon 3. 4 minus 1, we get 3 upon 3, which is equal to 1. So this is how we get cosec square 60 minus tan square 30 is equal to 1. A fifth part of this, sine 30 is half. So sine square 30 is half square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 and then the square of that. Plus cot 45. Cot 45 is 1. So 1 square. So 1 upon 2 square is 1 by 4. Root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4 plus 1. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 upon 4 plus 1. So which is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So this is how the fifth one we got this as 2. Answer for the fifth one is 2. We are left with the last part, that the sixth one. Sixth part we have cos square 60. So the value of cos 60 is half. Value of cos 60 is half. So half and then the square of that. Sec square 30. Sec 30 is, the value of sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. So plus 2 upon root 3 and then the square of this plus tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 square is going to be 1. So half square is further 1 by 2 square is 1 upon 4. 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3 plus 1. So let us simplify this. 4 plus 3. Let us write this 1 can be written as 4 by 4 or 3 by 3. So we have 1 upon 4 plus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 3. So the LCM is here 12. 4 and 3, the LCM is 12. So here we'll have to multiply by 3. So 4 4s are 16 and 3 4s are 12. So 12 plus 3, 15 plus 16, we get this as 31 upon 12, which is 2, 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 7, 2, 7 by 12 is the final answer. So we have done with question number 1. Moving to question number 2. Find the value of tan square 30 plus tan square 45 plus tan square 60. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So tan square 30 is 1 upon root 3 square. We are doing the first one here. Tan 45 is 1, so 1 square. And tan 60 is root 3, so root 3 square. So 1 upon root 3 square is 1 by 3 plus 1 plus root 3 square is 3. So this we get as 1 by 3 plus 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. So let us take the LCM here, or we can straight away write this as 4 1 by 3 because 4 is the whole part over here. So this can be written as whole part is 4 and 1 by 3 is a fraction. So 4 1 by 3 is the answer. Moving to the second part of this is 5 sine 90. So sine 90 is 1. So minus 5 times 1 upon cos 0. So cos 0 is again 1. So 2 times 1. So 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 5 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 plus 2 is 2.5. So it is 2.5 minus 2.5, which is going to be 0. So if we have to, this is 2.5. 2 plus 1 by 2 is 2.5. And 5 by 2 is again 2.5. So 2.5 minus 2.5, we get this as 0. Got it? So let us solve the third part over here. So 3 sine square 30. So 3 sine 30 is half. So square of this. Plus 2 tan square 60. So tan 60 is root 3. So 2 and root 3 square minus 5 cos square 45. Cos square 45. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So the square of this. So this let us 3 and 1 by 2 square is 1 upon 4. So 3 into 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3 square is 3. So 2 into 3 minus 5 into 1 by 2. So this we get it as 3 upon 4 plus 2 times 3 is 6 minus 5 upon 2. So let us take the LCM here. So LCM is going to be 4. So the denominator is going to be 4 over here. So here you'll have to multiply by 4, multiply by 4. Here you'll have to multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So we get 3 plus 6 4s are 24 minus 10. So 3 plus 24 is 27. 27 minus 10 is going to be 17. So 17 upon 4. So which we write it as in a mixed fraction. So we have 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 4 1 by 4. Moving to question number 3. Prove that sine 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sine 30 is equal to 1. We start with the first one. We take LHS. So LHS is sine 60. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30. So cos 30 is again root 3 by 2. Plus cos 60 is half. And sine 30 is half. So we get this as root 3 times root 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. So plus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 4 by 4, which is 1. And this is our RHS. So thus we get LHS is equal to RHS. We have done with the first part. So let us start with the second one. The second part of the question, it is cos 30. Now cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into cos 60 is half minus sine 30 is half and into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So we get this here root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 and which is equal to 0. And this is our RHS and this was our LHS. So this is how we proved thus LHS is equal to RHS. We are done with the second part also. Let us start with the third part over here. So third, it is cosec square 45. Now cosec 45 is root 2. So root 2 and then the square of that. Minus cot square 45. So cot 45 is 1. So 1 square. Root 2 square is 2. And this is our LHS we have taken. And 1 square is 1. So 2 minus 1, we get it as 1, which is our RHS. RHS is 1. So thus we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. Let us start with the fourth part. It is cos square 30. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and then the square of this minus sine square 30. So sine 30 is half. So half and then the square of this. This is we have taken LHS over here. So let us simplify LHS. Root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4. And this is minus 1 by 4. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, we get it as 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 4, which is half. Now this is half. And we are asked to prove this is cos 60. So LH and then RHS is equal to cos 60 and cos 60 is equal to half. So we got both half and half. So this is how we get. Thus, we get LHS is equal to RHS. Got it? We have done with the 4 part. Let us start with the 5th part on the next. Let us start with the 5th part. So it is tan 60 plus 1. Now tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 plus 1 upon tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 minus 1 and then the square of this. Okay, this is our LHS. Let us simplify this. Root 3 plus 1 the whole square upon root 3 minus 1 the whole square. So this is root 3 plus 1 the whole square is going to be root 3 square. Okay, plus 2ab, that is 2 root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 the whole square is root 3 square minus 2ab, that is minus 2 root 3 plus 1. So this is root 3 square is 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1. So this we get it as 3 plus 1. So it is 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 3 plus 1. This is 4 minus 2 root 3. So from this we can take 2 common. So when we take 2 common, we are left with 2 plus root 3 upon denominator also can be taken 2 common. So 2 in bracket 2 minus root 3. So this 2 and 2 got cancelled. Now we have 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. Let us rationalize the denominator. So we will be multiplying by 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. So when we multiply this, 2 plus root 3 the whole square is going to be 2 square, which is 4, plus 2ab, that is 2 2s are 4, so 4 root 3, plus b square, that is root 3 square is going to be 3, upon a square, a minus b into a plus b is a square, that is 2 square minus root 3 square. So which is 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 4 root 3 upon 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So our answer is 7 plus 4. LHS has 7 plus 4 root 3. Now let us start with the RHS of this question. So RHS is 1 plus cos 30. So it is 1 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 upon 1 minus cos 30, that is 1 minus root 3 by 2. So which, let us take the LCM, 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 upon 2 and upon 2 minus root 3 upon 2. This 2 and 2 got cancelled. 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3, which was the same as we have got. On rationalizing this, so we have again 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. Same thing we had got over here. So on rationalizing this, we get this as 7 plus 4 root 3. And this is how we get LHS is equal to RHS. Got it? So same thing was there. So that is why I'm not explaining here. Let's move on to question number 6 on the next page. Let's take LHS of question number 6. So in question number 6, we take LHS. So this is our LHS. So LHS, we take 3 cosec square 60. So 3 cosec 60 is 2 upon root 3. So 2 upon root 3 and then the square of that minus 2 cot square 30. Now cot 30 is again root 3. So 2 into root 3 and then the square of this plus sec square 45. So sec 45 is root 2. So root 2 and then the square of this. So this is 3 times 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3 minus 2 into root 3 square is 3 plus root 2 square is 2. So this is 4 minus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2. So this is going to be 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 minus 6, which is 0. And this is our RHS, and hence proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Got it? Moving to question number 2 tan 60. Now sine 2 times, let us take LHS. So LHS is sine 2 times 30, which is sine 60 degree. Now sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, let us start with RHS. So RHS, we have 2 tan 30. Now tan 30 is root 1 upon root 3. So 2 times 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus tan square 30. That is 1 upon root 3 and then the square of this. So this is, you get 2 upon root 3 upon, this is 1 plus 1 by root 3 square is 1 upon 3. So let us take the LCM and solve over here. So we have 2 upon root 3 is over there. Denominator, we have 3, 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So this is 2 upon root 3 multiplied by 3 by 4. This becomes inverse here. So 2 1s are and 2 2s are. So we have 3 upon 2 root 3. So let us rationalize, multiplying by root 3, dividing by root 3. We get 3 root 3 upon 2 times 3. This 3 and 3 got cancelled. We got this as root 3 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is also root 3 by 2. So thus we get LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, let us start with the second question. In the second question, it is cos 2 times 30. So LHS is cos 60 and cos 2 times 30 is 60. So cos 60 is equal to half. So let us start with RHS now. So RHS is 1 minus tan square 30. So 1 minus tan 30 is going to be 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 and then the square of this upon 1 plus tan square 30. So 1 plus 1 upon root 3 and then the square of this. So which is 1 minus 1 by 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3. So this is 3, 1s are 3 minus 1. We get numerator, when we simplify, we get 2 upon 3. Denominator is 3 1s are 3 plus 1, we get 4 upon 3. This 3 and 3 got cancelled. So which is we get 2 upon 4 and that is half. And this is nothing but your RHS. So thus you get LHS is equal to RHS. Hence done with 2 parts. Third one, so we have again tan. So we have LHS is equal to 2 times 30 is 60. So it is tan 60 and tan 60 is root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. Let us start with RHS. So we have RHS is equal to 2 tan 30. So that is 2 times root 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 2 times tan 30. Upon denominator, we have 1 minus tan square 30. That is 1 upon root 3 and then the square of this. So this is 2 upon root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3. So which is, we get it as 2 upon root 3 upon 3 1s are 3 minus 1, which is 2 upon 3. So this is 2 upon root 3 into 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 got cancelled. This 2 and 2 got cancelled. Now 3 upon root 3 is, we will rationalize this, multiplying by root 3, dividing by root 3. So we get 3 root 3 upon 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So which is equal to root 3. And this is our RHS. So thus we get LHS is equal to RHS. Got it? So B is an isosceles right triangle, assuming AB is equal to BC is equal to X. We have take AB is equal to BC is equal to X. Find the value of each of the following trigonometric ratios. So sine 45. So since it is an isosceles right triangle, so if this angle B is going to be 90 degrees, so these two angles are equal. These two angles will be adding to 90 degree. So this both we get 45 and 45. Now you are asked to find the first one, sine 45. So sine 45, for that we need hypotenuse. So let us find the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. So we get AC is equal to x square, square root of x square plus x square, which is square root of 2x square, that is root 2x. We got the hypotenuse as root 2x. Now sine 45 is, we can take any angle because both of them are 45. It is opposite upon hypotenuse, which is x upon root 2x, which is equal to this x and x got cancelled. We got 1 upon root 2. Same way, we can take cos 45. Now, cos 45 is again adjacent upon hypotenuse. So, if I take this C as an 45 degree, so x, this is again x upon root 2x. X and x got cancelled. We got this as 1 upon root 2. Now, tan 45 is opposite upon adjacent. So, tan 45 is x upon x, which is equal to 1. So, thus we have done with question number 5. Moving to question number 6. Prove that sine 60 is equal to 2 sine 30 cos 30. So, for first question, let us take LHS. So, your LHS is sine 60 and sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Let us take RHS. So, RHS is 2 sine 30. So, sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So, this 2 and 2 got cancelled. We got this as root 3 by 2. So, we can... So, thus we can see that both are root 3 by 2. So, thus we get LHS is equal to RHS. Let us do the second one here. So, let us take the LHS of this. So, 4 sine raised to 430. So, 4, let us write this 4 as it is. Sine 30. So, it is sine 30 is half. So, square of this. Plus cos raised to 460. So, cos 60 is half. And then the square of this. Minus 3 cos square 45. So, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So, square of that. Minus sine square 90. Sine 90 is 1. So, 1 square. So, this becomes 4. Let us simplify inside the bracket. 1 upon 2, sorry, raised to 4. This is raised to 4. I'm so sorry. Raised to 4. Okay. So, 1 upon 2 raised to 4 is 16. So, 1 by 16. plus 1 by 16 minus 3 in bracket 1 upon root 2 square is 1 by 2 minus 1. So this we get as 4 inside the bracket we get 2 upon 16 minus 3 and half minus 1 we get minus 3. Let us keep it as it is. So this is 1 minus 2 by 2. So we get this as 4 ones are and 4 fours are, 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. So with this as 1 by 2 minus 3 in bracket minus 1 by 2. So which is 1 by 2 minus of minus is plus. So plus 3 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 upon 2 which is equal to 2. And that is our RHS. RHS is 2 here. So hence proved LHS is equal to RHS.